What happens if you put raw steak under a microscope? In the US, steak is a popular treat, juicy, flavorful, and enjoyed by many. But have you ever wondered what's really inside that perfectly cooked slice of meat? When you look closer, things start to get strange. Meat is made of tiny muscle fibers packed closely together, giving it its texture. This girl decided to find out for herself. She took a small piece and placed it on a clean glass slide, and when she finally looked at it, something unbelievable happened. I'll show you, but first, if you're on the side of the angels, make sure to like the video and subscribe. And if not, then maybe you're cheering for the demons. Share this video to show your support for the angels, and leave a heart in the comments if you're Team Angels. Back to the video. When she finally looked at it under the microscope, this is what she saw.